let's start. All right, so this is May 2014 question number 1A, which says, using a calculator or otherwise determine the value of I. So I is 5.25 divided by 0.015. So this is a straight calculator answer. All right, using a calculator or otherwise determine the value of. So let's just divide. It's a straight division. 5.25 divided by 0.0015. So this says 350. We have the square root of 6.5025. So the square root of 6.5025, and this says 2.55. That's all. But if your entire exam would be like this, it will be very easy. All right, so, and we're to write our answer correct to three significant figure. So this is 3.142 multiplied by 2.236 squared. Let's just put that in the calculator. We have 3.142 times 2.236 squared. And we're to write our answer to three significant figure. So our answer is 15.70904. Let's stop it there. The three significant figure, we have to look at the fourth significant figure, which is 0. Since it's less than 5, we're going to drop it and every digit after it. So the answer would be 15.7 to three significant figures. All right, so that's 1A. Let's go to 1B. 1B says, concrete tiles are made using buckets of cement, sand, and gravel mixed in the ratio 1 to 4 to 6. So we have, what are the ingredients? The ingredients are cement, sand, and gravel, and the ratio is 1 to 4 to 6. So it's 6 part gravel and 4 parts sand, 1 part of cement. And we're asked how many buckets of gravel are needed for 4 buckets of cement. So 4 buckets of cement. I don't know the gravel, so I'll call it X. One way I could do this is I could cross multiply. So we have what? Cement, sorry. So this is cement to gravel is 1 to 6. Then we have 4 buckets of what? Cement. I don't know the gravel, so I call it X. So one way I could cross multiply. So X would be equal to 4 times 6, which would be 24 buckets of gravel. All right, 24. So for 4 buckets of cement, I would need 24 buckets of gravel. All right, it says if 20 buckets of sand are used, how many buckets of each of the following will be needed? So we have what? Cement, the sand to gravel. This is 1 to 4 to 6. Then we're told that 20 buckets of sand was used. And I'm asked to find the number of buckets of cement. Let's call it X. So I can cross multiply. 4 times X is 4X. So this is A. 4 times x is equal to 1 times 20. So 4x is equal to 20. Divide both sides by 4, and I'm getting x is equal to 5 buckets of cement. So if 20 buckets of sand was used, I would need a total of 5 buckets of cement. All right. The amount of gravel, let's call it y. Then we can cross multiply. 4y, 4 4y is equal to 6 times 20. So 4y would be equal to 120. Divide both sides by 4, and we're going to get y is equal to 30 buckets of gravel. So for 20 buckets of sand, we're going to need 5 buckets of cement and 30 buckets of gravel. Let's get to the last part of the question. It says the cash price of a laptop is $1,299. It can be bought on a hire purchase. So it's very good that we did this question. It's a hire purchase question. By making a deposit of $350 and 10 monthly payments of $120 each, you're to I, what is the total hire purchase price of the laptop? So I, the hire purchase price, would be equal to the initial deposit, which is $350, plus the $120 that the person is going to pay every month for 10 months. So this becomes 350 plus 1,200. And so the hire purchase price is $1,550. The hire purchase price is $1,550. We're asked how much is saved by buying the laptop for cash. Well, that is easy. If you were buying the laptop for cash, you'd pay what? $1,299. If you're buying it on hire purchase, you'd pay what? $1,550. So the savings or savings for cash. In other words, the savings if you buy cash would be equal to 1,550 minus 1,299, and that final amount, 1,550 minus 1,299, the answer is $251. So if you buy the item cash, as opposed to buying it on hire purchase, you would save yourself $251. All right, I do believe that this is the end of the question. So